To begin, navigate to the Chrome Web Store by typing chrome.com Web Store into your browser's address bar and pressing Enter. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, locate the search bar, typically positioned at the top left of the page. Enter Trust Wallet into this bar and press Enter to initiate the search for the extension. Scan the search results for the official Trust Wallet extension. Identifiable by its distinct blue logo, click on the Trust Wallet extension to view its details. On the extensions page, you'll find an Add to Chrome button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click this button to start the installation process. A confirmation dialog will appear, detailing the permissions the extension requires. Review these permissions and click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. The extension will now be installed. You'll typically see a notification, and the Trust Wallet icon should appear in your Chrome toolbar, adjacent to the address bar. If the Trust Wallet icon is not immediately visible in your toolbar, click on the puzzle piece icon, which reveals your installed extensions. Then, click the pin icon next to Trust Wallet to ensure it remains visible for convenient access. With the icon now pinned, click on the Trust Wallet icon to launch the extensions interface. Upon opening, you will be presented with two options: create a new wallet or import using secret phrase for new users. Select Create a new wallet. Carefully review the terms and conditions, and then agree to proceed. This next step is critical. You will be shown your unique secret phrase. This phrase is your backup. It's imperative to write it down offline, never share it with anyone, and store it in a secure physical location. After securing your phrase, you will need to confirm it. Re-enter your secret phrase in the correct order to verify that you have saved it properly, ensuring you have access to your wallet. Congratulations! Your Trust Wallet has been successfully installed and set up within your Chrome browser, ready to secure your digital assets and interact with the decentralized web.